Look what Skipper got for his birthday. Oh boy. I bet he'll share some of that with you. You gonna pick one of those? Any of those look good? What do you think of all that? Are any of those good enough to add to your collection? Looky, 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 here's a monkey. Here's a monkey. Want a monkey? Get the monkey. No? What about this fuzzy thing? That fuzzy thing. Oh yeah! Oh, Sharon, he loves it!